Hi friends, welcome back to my channel iQOO. In this video I'm going to the Pokemon Unite gameplay test and real-time FPS test in the iQOO 9 SE device. Right now this is iQOO 9 SE which I'm trying to use in this video and which has got the Snapdragon 888 processor, and in this Pokemon Unite game there is real-time FPS meter which is available inside the game. So I'll try to use those options and we'll try to see exactly what will be the overall FPS you can actually play in this Pokemon Unite game. So that's what this video is about exactly. So first let me show you exactly what kind of settings I'm trying to use here, and starting with the low frame rates we do have the option. So if you try to select the low frame rates, the FPS will go down below 30 FPS as well. Right now as you can see, let me show you exactly. Right now we are getting the FPS count up to 28 FPS. As you can see, even 28 FPS. So the low quality. Now let me change. So even right now it did decrease up to 14 FPS as well suddenly. And medium settings, if you try to keep, it's going up to 45 and 43. And if you try to keep the high settings, I was expecting kind of close to 60 or maybe above 60, but if you try to select the high settings, it's kind of decreasing to 30 FPS. As you can see, high and 30 FPS, but medium, you can actually play with medium with 45 FPS, and low with 15 FPS or 20 FPS. As you can see, these are the changes which is happening. So if you want to get the highest possible FPS, always play with the medium frame rates, so then you can actually get the 45 FPS. Right now what is going on, as you can clearly see friends. Some of the users, they want to know this kind of gameplay. That's the reason I'm trying to do the basic minimum gameplay at this moment. So right now as you can see, the minimum basic gameplay I'm trying to do at this moment exactly. And I'll let you start another match and let's see what's happening here. And one more weird thing I did notice, that when you're in the home screen and main menu here, so the FPS will be about 30 FPS. You can actually feel that kind of slow lag happening here. And if you try to close the game and if you try to reopen the game again, then it will try to maintain exactly 60 FPS. Now it won't feel that much kind of lag. You can see the real-time 120 Hz also kind of slightly changing. Before it is 60, but right now it became 120. So there might be some kind of small glitch, I think, in terms of the gameplay optimization at this moment. That might be the reason why it's kind of changing from 120 to 60. Now just now it did change to 60, right? As soon as it changed to 60, I'm getting slightly kind of slow lag feeling while I'm trying to play. So let me just select any other. Okay. Let's see friends, how is the gameplay and experience going to be there. So while using the real-time FPS. So this is the complete gameplay experience, and right now I'm getting 45 FPS, right? Now let me to close the game and open the game again. Now let's see how much FPS we're getting. We're getting same 45, 43. Let's change to high settings. In the high settings now we are getting 60 FPS. As you can see friends clearly what is happening, 60 FPS we are getting. So if we need to close the game and reopen the game again, then it's kind of possible to get a 60 FPS. Right now as you can see exactly what's happening here regarding the gameplay and everything. Yeah, now 58 FPS, it's maintaining 58 and 59 during this process of testing. So always try to close the game and open the game once again, then you'll be getting very smooth experience. And haptic feedbacks also, I'm getting really fantastic haptic feedback. As you can see friends, overall 59 and 60 FPS is maintaining not bad regarding the gameplay experience. Right now again it decreased to 30 FPS at this moment exactly. So I'm trying to use the same settings, but it's again happening. So let me need to close the game and open the game again. Yeah, now it's back to 60 FPS. As I said, this is a kind of small glitch maybe there in the game, I think so. That's the reason why it's happening like this. So maybe if you don't touch the screen for some time, I think it might change to low FPS. Yeah, as you can see, if you don't touch the screen for some time, it's changing to low FPS automatically. It's going, and if you whenever you touch the screen again, it's not changing back. It's not changing. So you just need to close the game and open the game again. It will become normal 60 FPS. As you can see, overall the gameplay experience not bad. This is a quick Pokemon Unite gameplay test on this iQOO 9 SD device. Overall the phone was able to like get 60 FPS, no issues, but you need to like close and open the game if you don't get any kind of 60 FPS. Always remember this small thing. Meanwhile, signing off friends, until next day for more updates, and bye.